Man, Litecoin, I am so proud of you. I'm so proud of Litecoin, guys. I can't tell you how happy I am for Litecoin. All right, so check this out. Last video, I was saying that I really wanted to see price close above this 108 price level for the monthly chart. All right, we finally got it. We got it, guys. Okay, let me show you how. Like, I know I seen a comment on one of the videos that I had that Litecoin went to 130, and I think that's great. But take a look at how monumental this means. All right, I'm on the monthly chart. Look at this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I may be off by a candle. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. 19 candles. I don't know, maybe like a year, almost 2 years where price could not close above 108. We got it in January. Just awesome. All right, awesome. Monumental moves. All right, take a look at this. So in the comment on YouTube, I said that I wanted to see if price could close above a specific level, and I want to show you where I got that level from. So after we got above 108, I started looking at the midpoint of December's wick. The midpoint is going to be an algorithmic resistance or support depending on the direction of price. All right, so because price was going higher, the midpoint of December was an algorithmic resistance. Take a look at this. If I draw this out, just gonna move it out to the right, that price level was $125.15. January closed $127.99. We closed above both 108 and the midpoint of January. Now, I was saying that I wanted to see this imbalance stay open. It definitely stayed open for January, but when the news of the tariffs came in, and then Trudeau and his tariffs, and then Mexico and their tariffs, guess what? It pulled all the market down, okay? But it's no coincidence that Litecoin just so happened to drop down into a monthly key level, all right, this imbalance, and then reacted off of it beautifully, okay? Here's what you guys need to understand right now. This is the reaction you want to see from a bullish imbalance. If we can close outside of this gap exactly how we look right now, then the following quarter is really good for Litecoin because we still have liquidity sitting above us in the 150 range. Okay, a lot of liquidity sits up here at the 160 range, because to get into this imbalance you need to cross 155. So we've got this confirmed swing high which houses buy side liquidity, and right above that we have a monthly imbalance that has not been touched yet, all the way from December 2021. All right, so really happy for Litecoin. I can remove this fib now because we've already closed above it, reacting from the monthly gap. That's great. Now here's what I want to see going forward. Okay, let's go to the 3-month. Now on the 3-month we have a bit of a different level here. The 3-month here, it's at 108.81. What I want to see now is, can we get a close above that level on the 3-month? So it's actually the same one as the monthly time frame. I want to see us close above it on the 3-month. All right, we've got 1 month and 27 days to do it. The fact that we are so close already, thanks to the last quarter, this current quarter opened near 108. We've already went above it in January. So what I want to see us do now is, at the close of March, I want to see Litecoin above 108.99. That would be really good. And then next quarter, I'm looking for some bullish prices out of Litecoin. All right. Now that's going to contradict my analysis for Bitcoin, because if you guys have seen my Bitcoin video, I'm saying that 89K is in the cards. But what I want you guys to understand is, if we can get a close above 108, when Bitcoin goes to 89K, if that's if we don't leave that gap open, okay? When Bitcoin goes to 89K, it's temporary. It's only going to go to 89K to offer fair value, and then boom, we're off to the races again. So either way, as long as, honestly, as long as we can get a close on Litecoin above 108.99 on the 3-month chart, man, you guys are rocking and rolling. All right, so that's my analysis for Litecoin. If I just drop down to the weekly, all right, I guess, yeah, you know, this is all a part of that previous swing high. Really beautiful reaction. So really, there's no reason for me to drop down any lower time frame, because right now I'm telling you what time frames are going to govern this move. What's on the daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, it's irrelevant right now. You can see everything that you need to see from the monthly time frame. So keep an eye on that. Keep an eye on this reaction and start looking for a close above 108.99 on the 3-month chart.